Hi, I'm John Trischler, and in this video, we're going to show you our add-on relay adapter, what it is, what it's for, and what it does. And to start this out, I'm going to show you, this is just a generic wire harness. Most of your harnesses that come with your lighting, that you get your aftermarket lighting, are going to come with a built-in relay in here. The problem is, in a lot of cases, it's redundant. You don't need it. Jeeps, F-150 Raptors, Broncos, a lot of vehicles have built-in switches, built-in relays, built-in fuses. So you end up cutting these off. So we build our harnesses without relays so that you can connect them directly to your switch that already has a fuse and so on. In the instance that you have a vehicle that does not have a built-in switch or fuse, or if you just simply need more power than your switch or fuse is capable of, for example in the Raptor, the 5 amp switches, maybe you need 15 or 20. You can simply get one of our plug-in add-on relays. And you just plug those into our harness. Instead of plugging them in direct, you're going to plug your red wire, your power wire, into the red power wire here on the harness. You're going to do the same thing with the ground, as you see here. And then you're going to connect your two terminals to your battery plus with the fuse, your battery minus, and your trigger wire to your switch. And that's it. Now you've got a built-in relay, a fuse, and it can work with any vehicle that does not have a relay or fuse. And it can also work with a vehicle that does, but maybe it's a lower capacity. If you don't need it, you simply unplug it, and that's it. So in a lot of applications, you're not going to need a relay, but in the ones that you do, you can simply add one on. So one thing that confuses people often with our harness is why there are two grounds. So as you notice here, there's a ring here for a ground, and there is a connector here for a ground. This is the same ground. They're connected right here. It's the same ground. There are just two different ways to connect it. So as we're talking about a relay, if you don't have a relay adapter, you don't need this connector. You're just going to put this one under a bolt anywhere on the truck. That's going to ground your harness. If you do have a relay, however, you're not going to use the ring connector because it's going to plug into the relay instead. So that's why there are two grounds. You don't need both. You use one or the other depending on if you're adding a relay or you're not. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.